Today is a very important day for me and for the people in the Recommenders team, because we are announcing that Microsoft Recommenders has moved and has been donated to the Linux Foundation. I believe this is a great step towards making recommendation systems more open to everybody. It is a way of going to the next step in the where the repository is maturing, is expanding. And well, this is something that has been going on for 11 months actually. And I would like to just share one idea, just maybe one idea. When you believe that something is worth is good, is good work, you really need to fight to to keep to keep growing it, right? And this is, I know this is a lot of people say this thing, but what they don't tell you is that sometimes these kind of things take 11 months. So the learning I got here is that if you want something to be successful, you need to persevere. That's the key. So congrats everybody. Today we'll celebrate. Thank you.